Eating just 2 cloves a day for 7 days might sound too simple to make a difference in your health, but what happens inside your body is truly remarkable. Cloves, these tiny aromatic flower buds, have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern science now confirms what many ancient cultures knew all along: cloves are powerful. If you decide to make this small change and eat 2 cloves every day for a week, your body could experience changes that may shock you. Let's walk through what happens day by day and why this tiny spice packs such a big punch. On the first day of consuming 2 cloves, your body immediately begins to take advantage of their rich antioxidant content. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which is one of the most powerful natural antioxidants known. Antioxidants help your body reduce oxidative stress, one of the main causes of aging, inflammation, weak immunity, and chronic diseases. Even within the first 24 hours, many people report feeling a bit more energetic, less sluggish, and mentally clearer. That is because antioxidants help your cells operate more efficiently and start cleaning up accumulated free radicals that slow down bodily processes. By the second day, cloves begin working on your digestive system. If you regularly experience bloating, gas, constipation, or indigestion, eating 2 cloves daily can start bringing noticeable relief. Cloves stimulate digestive enzymes, which help your body break down food more effectively. They also have natural carminative properties, meaning they help reduce gas buildup. Many people even use cloves as a natural remedy for stomach discomfort. If you suffer from acid reflux or slow digestion, cloves may help balance stomach acids, making digestion smoother and reducing discomfort after meals. By the third day, cloves begin showing their antimicrobial and antibacterial power. Cloves have the ability to fight harmful bacteria inside the body, including the kind that cause gum disease, infections, bad breath, and digestive problems. This is why chewing cloves has been used traditionally to freshen the breath and improve oral hygiene. 2 cloves a day can help reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth and digestive tract. If you have had issues like coated tongue, mouth odor, gum inflammation, or mild oral infections, cloves can support your oral health naturally. The powerful plant compounds in cloves also support the balance of gut microbiome, which is essential for immune function and digestion. By the 4th day, your immune system begins to get a noticeable boost. Nearly 70% of your immune system is located in the gut, and cloves directly support gut health and the immune response. The eugenol in cloves has anti-inflammatory properties that help the body respond in a calmer, more controlled way to stress, infections, and toxins. Many people experience fewer signs of underlying inflammation when they regularly consume cloves, and inflammation is a key factor in most chronic diseases including arthritis, diabetes, heart disease, and even cancers. By reducing inflammation and supporting immunity, cloves help your body defend itself more effectively against invading pathogens. By the 5th day, cloves may start affecting blood sugar regulation. This is one of the biggest surprises for many people. Research shows that cloves can improve how the body produces and uses insulin. For people with prediabetes, insulin resistance, or fluctuating energy levels, eating cloves daily may help stabilize blood sugar. Many individuals report feeling fewer sugar crashes, less brain fog, and improved energy throughout the day. Stabilized blood sugar also helps prevent cravings and overeating, which is why cloves are sometimes included in natural weight management plans. When your blood sugar is stable, your metabolism runs more smoothly, your appetite becomes more balanced, and your body becomes more efficient at using food as fuel. By the 6th day, cloves begin to deeply support liver function. The liver is responsible for detoxifying your bloodstream, processing fats, hormones, medications, and filtering out harmful substances. Cloves contain compounds that protect liver cells from oxidative damage and support their regeneration. If your body has been struggling with sluggish metabolism, toxin buildup, or hormonal imbalance, your liver plays a direct role, and cloves help optimize its performance. A healthier liver means clearer skin, better digestion, more stable hormones, and improved energy levels. Many people who consume cloves regularly report feeling lighter and clearer internally, as though their body is processing things more efficiently. By the 7th day, cloves may begin contributing to improved cardiovascular health. They help regulate blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, and prevent plaque buildup in the arteries. This means better blood circulation, less strain on the heart, and lower risk of cardiovascular disease over time. Besides this, cloves improve blood-thinning properties naturally, which helps prevent dangerous clot formation. While this is beneficial for most people, individuals on blood-thinning medication should consult their doctor before consuming cloves daily. If you continue beyond 7 days, the benefits only increase. Regular clove consumption may help reduce joint pain and stiffness due to their anti-inflammatory effects. People with arthritis often experience improved mobility and reduced discomfort. Cloves may also help boost bone strength because they contain manganese, a mineral essential for bone formation. Over time, this may improve bone density and reduce fracture risk, especially in older adults. Cloves also have mild analgesic properties, meaning they can reduce pain naturally. That is why in many cultures, cloves were used to relieve toothaches and headaches long before modern medicine existed. Another surprising benefit is improved respiratory health. Cloves help open the airways, reduce mucus buildup, and calm inflammation in the respiratory tract. People with seasonal allergies, colds, coughs, or asthma may experience easier breathing. Drinking clove tea or chewing cloves can soothe the throat, reduce coughing episodes, and support faster recovery from respiratory infections. Of course, like anything powerful, cloves should be consumed in moderation. 2 cloves a day is enough for most people. Eating too many may cause irritation in the mouth or digestive system. Pregnant women, individuals with liver disease, or those taking blood thinners should consult a doctor before consuming cloves regularly. However, for most healthy adults, 2 cloves a day is a simple, natural way to support the body in multiple ways at once. Imagine improving digestion, immunity, oral health, blood sugar, liver function, and inflammation all with just 2 tiny cloves a day. Small changes can sometimes make a big difference, and cloves are a perfect example. So next time you look at these small dried buds in your spice jar, remember that they are not just a seasoning but a natural powerhouse with real scientific benefits. If you want to feel the difference for yourself, try eating 2 cloves a day for 7 days and observe how your body responds. Sometimes nature's simplest remedies deliver the most powerful results.